up with your boy, let's go. Back with Shandy. Let's come up with the body thing. Okay, my face too. Today, we're out here. Backyard, my face too. At 7:40. We're here to activating improving nice my face too. And also to supporting the business and Katatinda Kula Buffet. Lila 7:40. So I would love you guys to come and check it out. So today we're here to see the vibe and hope all of you are stepping into Mteso and everything that's going on. So please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Always. Good to buy the say show, okay, Ngiloba?
Uvi.
Ngilobani?
Mobile.
So sige pila.
Backyard on Devonport.
Ufila kanjani nge-backyard so far Njobula?
Backyard is good, the vibes are good, the energy is good. It's where the fun is at, okay? Music is good.
Away. So my friends, are you aware of Groovy Nights?
Of course, we're there on the 29th of November.
My friends, impasa bangani benu usikhale sibe right sibe mnandi. So please share us your Instagram labantu bakuthola khona.
Skobile.kay.
Okay, share us your Instagram labantu bakuthola khona.
Novuyo Nyawo.
Okay, buka. Sonke ngicela sithi imithetho department.
Imithetho department.
Guys, ngiyabonga ne. Alright, sure. So back with the Shandis and next time I'm going to Bani Tech Show. I'm here with
Sosinsin Mabaso.
Right, yeah, I'm aware. So since don't tell us again, plan.
It's a backyard, the first sector in Port, pre-exhibition, a Groovy Nights.
Away. So far, like backyard, you know, Sanda, in a Chablisa.
Hey, dog, the hands, the vibe, the music, everything, dog.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you about from 29 November, when Zavali.
Damn, shout out in November, it's Groovy Nights, season 4. We're going wild, we're going crazy. The biggest vibe in Durban. So catch you until December, please.
Okay. My friend, so Groovy Nights is the best event in Durban and we are celebrating season 4. My friend, so we're in line. So please do follow, comment, subscribe. So I'm telling about abantu abafisa ukuza kuyona event.
For sure, first Instagram is Sosinsin Mabaso. TikTok is Sosinsin_Mabaso. Call there, like, follow. Groovy Nights season 4 will be there 29 November.
Away, please, let's say Imitator Department. Let's go.
Imitator Department. Nukunu
Yes, guys. Ayo, what up, it's your boy, let's go. Back with another Shandis. Next time I'm to buy section. Ngilobani? Ngilobani? Okay, so how you tell us game plan?
It's a backyard.
Okay,
At Devonport. Devonport. Yeah. I'm so sure.
It's a Devonport. So you know Sanda so far ngokubala.
Unkulu baba, kuyarokha la. Ziyawa kumazibanzi.
Okay. So how you tell us ngokwakho would you recommend i-backyard ukuthi abantu bayivashele?
Yeah, kakhulu kumnandi, safety, yonke into ku-right, music, right, vibe, everything is right.
So there is Groovy Nights esiyenzayo ngomhla 29 November. Right now we just activating umcimbi ukuthi uzobuya nama-vibes acishe afane kanje. Uzokwazi ukutshela abangani bakho ukuthi nifike? Okay. Buka. Cela ukuthi sonke sithi imithetho department. That's all. Okay, ngiyabonga. And I'm back with another Shandis ngicama fix to Bani Tech Show. Ngiloba.
Really so backyard Devonport.
Away, my dog, you know bala.
Oh, it's your man stylist, bro.
Don't tell my dog. You know it's under so far. Ngalelo kuzana ngipilo nesikole la.
There's nice vibe. Chili umuntu uswenkile. Yonke into grand so far. Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm telling you, when you know it's under nge-backyard so far.
Efethu epholile lana kupholile khona abantu abahle sebunandini siya-enjoya kuyadliwa kuyaphuza thola yonke efunayo bafuna ukuthini bona backyard in the back of the Maybank.
Okay, so my friends, we're here also because we are doing activation at Groovy Nights, the event enkulu uzobe celebrate season 4 wayo ne ngomhla 29 November uzofika nabangani bakho.
Obvious, 29 November, izalwa mina, birthday yami, futhi obvious ngobe ngikhona after party izobse back of the Maybank.
It's okay. Hola.
Definitely, so we say on first. So in Talabani,
That's 29 November.
yo, 29 November is a big
It's okay. So please say imitator department.
Imitator department. Lento cabangayo uyenze njalo, ungahlali uzawuyenza. Cabangayo njalo mawulala uyenze.
Hey, what up? It's your boy. Let's go. Pekunera Shandi. So come on, fix the band. Say show. Kengilo bani.
Charlotte Kumalo,
Kengilo bani.
Pelelezwane.
So spelela ungitshele sikepla.
It's a backyard on Devonport.
Okay. So yini uthanda ngale ndawo?
Like the vibes, the fashion, the music, everything, the energy. Yeah.
So ungitshele mami, yini uthandayo ngebackyard so far?
It's Friday. There are a lot of people that bring a lot of vibes. If you also come, you sow for yourself.
So kwenzakalani nge-29 November kulo nyaka?
Yeah, 29 November, there's Groovy Nights, pool party. If you miss it, I actually don't know what's here. Also, because it's gonna be vibey. There's gonna be great people, music, great vibes. Jay. Make sure that you're there.
So xolisa abantu basengabasikisi baphula. So bafethu ngicela sisho sonke kanye kanye ne sithi imithetho department. Imithetho department. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Right, it's your boy Stones, back with another Shandis, and no time I fake to band say show. Okay, I'm here with
Jay Passionate alone at the African Trail of
okay.
all the way from the South Coast, Emzin to Scott Bank.
Okay, shout out, Bob. Okay, sige plan.
Sike backyard namhlanje bafethu Devonport sike sawa bafethu siyakhipha usosengithini mabaso host i-activation ye-Groovy Nights season 4 ungasale vibini bafethu.
It's okay.
Mhla 26 November
Inside.
29 November
29
November i-main event i-main event.
So
I cannot disclose the location ngilibele.
okwama it's okay. So ungitshele ngenyama yini oyithandayo ngebackyard la sikhona njengamanje so far?
Awes madoda ungiphindele.
Yini oyithandayo ngebackyard njengamanje la sikhona so far eDevonport?
Njengoba sile Devonport into enginqanywa ngebhegi yami khona abantu abangibonile ukuthi okay they've seen me before ngiperforma ku-Jay Passionate.
Cabanga bafo nesiphazamisi nami khona umuntu oqeda ngirecognize ukuthi ngishaya imithetho department yabo leyo nto leyo. So kuba kuhle ukuthi first uma wenza into esayidini abanye abantu bakurecognize njalo. So ungitshele utholakala music lo wenza abangathola papa
Music kahle angithi kubona wonke ama-distributional platforms bafethu u-Jay Passionate nginama-feature nginama-single anginayo i-project ephumile kwamanje yabo anginayo i-project
okay, please say shout out to Backyard, shout out to Groovy Nights.
Shout out to Backyard, shout out to Groovy Nights. Season 4 ngakhohlwa siya season 4 bafethu. I-activation namhlanje.
Okay. Siyabonga nyama. Stones, back with another Shandis. No time I fake to band sex show. Okay, nilobala.
No, Amas.
Nobani? Sabigel. Okay, bafethu tokubuza sige iphila.
It's a backyard at Devonport.
Away. So yini uyithandayo ngebackyard so far?
I like the venue, the sound, and everything. The vibe is on.
Okay. Are you aware of it Groovy Nights?
Yes.
Away. So uthini uzobheke uma celebrate season 4 uzobukhona?
Yeah, I'm going to obvious.
Okay, please say shout out to Backyard, shout out to Groovy Nights. Please say shout out to Groovy Nights, shout out to Backyard.
Shout out to Groovy Nights, shout out to Backyard.
So cool. Fethu wena so far like Backyard ufila kanjani sipilweni sakho?
I feel like the vibe is so good. The music, the place is amazing. I don't really have anything to complain about. Yeah.
So would you recommend ukuthi abantu bafike khona?
Yeah. I would recommend people to come here. It's actually a vibe like good night.
So are you aware ukuthi we are also doing activation at Groovy Nights?
No.
So there is event ekhona eMthompunga wonke la esekwini Groovy Nights season 4 esiyostanga umhla 29 November. Uzokwazi yini ukutshela abangani bakho ukuthi nifike nonke nibe bahle?
Yeah, I think it will be possible because I don't think no one would want like honestly. I don't think a friend would have because it's such a vibe.
Please say shout out Backyard, shout out Groovy Nights.
Shout out to Backyard, shout out to Night.
Alright, ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Spoiler Stones, back with another Shandis and look time for you to ban section. I'm here with
DJ Soulman, mfethu Mr. G Sounds, mfethu. Sure, mfethu. Wona.
Away. So nje amsikephi la?
Sure, bro.
Sikephi la?
Well, lana sise-backyard e-Devonport, mfethu siyabuya lana kumnandi kakhulu mfethu njengoba ubona nje fully packed, bro.
So yini uyithandile so far ukhona la Backyard?
Bro, ama-vibes amnandi mfethu. Line up is good, ama-DJ mfethu, ama-vibe baqhamuka nabantu, just giving.
Abantu basonkile bahle baclean umuhle ucwebe. So ungitshele nje kwenzakalani mhla 29 November?
Bro, that's 29 November, so start Groovy Nights.
Away.
Season 4.
Season 4.
Hosted by Sosin Mabas. I'm also part of this journey at Groovy Nights. As Mr. G Sound, the entertainment, the lineup and everything, bro. Just to tell you something, it's just going to be extravaganza because we're going to be closing off the year. We're going to have a session now too, the pool party session and the Groovy Night session, my guy.
Away. Shout out. Please say shout out to Soso Mabas.
I beg your pardon?
Please say shout out to Soso Mabas.
Wait, shout out Sosin Mabas. Of course, yeah, Bakumana, bro. You are just amazing, my guy. Ever since I met you, people love you. This thing is for you, man. Just spam me saying, hey, I'm on. You're going way far, bro. Okay, bro.
So abantu abakuthandayo abangafisa ukukulandela kulo msebenzi owenza ukuba uDJ bangakuthola kephi? Social media.
Okay, first thing is first, bro. I'm a sound engineer, I'm a DJ, I do sound high as well. So I've got pages, I'm DJ Soulman SA on Instagram, and also on TikTok you can find me as G Sounds SA.
Please say imitator department.
I beg your pardon?
Please say imitator department.
I beg your pardon?
Imitator department.
Repeat that.
Asisho kanye kanye. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Imitator department. Away.